Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 7 of the Cougar Connection. We had another amazing week at Simons Middle School this week, as you can see from the photos from the week. And we just want to take a moment and recognize our student spotlight for this week. This week, we're actually going to recognize two students. We're recognizing Macy Perkins and TJ Smith. And this past week on Wednesday, Macy and TJ worked with Miss Granis and Miss Hawkins from Hillsboro to talk about a project that they have been working on through the KASC conference. And basically what that is, KASC is kind of the guiding organization for school councils in the state of Kentucky. So the students went with the teachers to this conference, and they presented about how their voice was used for site-based decision making. So thank you, TJ, and for Macy for stepping outside of your comfort zone a little bit and doing something really awesome and showing your leadership skills and capabilities. And Mr. Leach says that it was a great honor to watch our students present to teachers and administrators from across the state of Kentucky. And he also says congratulations to TJ and Macy. So thank you, TJ and Macy, for demonstrating your can will must attitude. And I can't wait to see what amazing things you guys are going to do in the years to come. This week, our staff spotlight, is Miss Leela Ratliff. Miss Ratliff teaches English on the Silver Snakes team, and her and her husband and her two children, and she's actually expecting another, reside in Fleming County. This week, I had a parent reach out to me and say some really amazing things about Miss Ratliff, which we already knew that she was amazing. But this parent wanted me to just relay to her and to the admin team of my building how wonderful Miss Ratliff has been for her child and has really pushed her student to write. And Miss Ratliff had actually emailed this parent and kind of ragged on their daughter, and she had reached out and just said that she really appreciated the positive feedback and that her daughter had expressed that Miss Ratliff was her favorite teacher in the building. So thank you, Miss Ratliff, for being awesome and for always pushing kids. She's very concerned about their growth in all areas, but especially in writing. So thank you, Ms. Ratliff. Just a few upcoming events that we have on calendar for this week. We do have etiquette classes going on this week. I know there's a couple etiquette meals going on. We also have map testing. So we have map testing in reading both Monday and Tuesday, and in math both Wednesday and Thursday. Also on Tuesday, we have a high attendance day competition in the region. So students, please come to school on high attendance day. If we happen to win high attendance day or have the highest attendance in the region, or we reach 98% attendance, we will have a visit from the attendance queen on Wednesday. Also on Wednesday, we do have the hype devotional that is going to be during 7th period. So students, that is something that Dr. Kreisman does, and if you're interested, we'll be making some announcements on Wednesday about that. Thursday, we will have a PLC day, and on Friday, of course, is Can Will Must T-shirt day, and you can see from the calendar, we do have several events going on with Cougar Hill Farm this week. Also this week, parents, if you ordered mums and you want to pick those up, you can pick those up on Tuesday from 7:45-ish to about 10. And the same thing on Wednesday. And then also upcoming, we have the grandparents brunch that's going to be on October the 1st. If you're interested in some more details about that, please reach out, send a text message through Remind, or call or email myself or Mrs. High. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week.